Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am doing a decluttering my closet video because, as I've mentioned in my reorganizing my room video, there's going to be some changes coming, and so there's things I need to be decluttered, including this closet which, as you can see, is broken because of a certain cat. You guys can see all of this loveliness that exists. This is like, these are like all of my leggings and workout tops, and then it goes into like all like my skirts and dresses and scarves and all that wonderful stuff. And then this is all like my shirts. Really, right now I'm filming. All like my shirts, my sweaters, my jackets, all of that good stuff. So mainly today I'm just gonna be focusing on the clothes and ignoring all this stuff down here because there's not much I can do with it right now. So I'm just going to start by taking out all of my clothes and then going through what I know I'm going to keep, and then I'm going to make a maybe and a get away for sure pile, because there's a lot of stuff I like never take out of this closet, so we'll see. Alright, so those on the bed, those are just all like my athletic sports clothes, and I just haven't hung them up yet because I might do something different with them, either put them in a drawer or something. Okay, that is my definite no pile, and that is my maybe pile. This over here is just a really old sweatshirt, and I don't want to get rid of it because it's from Nutcracker when I was like 11. And yes, it still fits me, but oh well. So I'm gonna go through that pile, and I also organized the hanger by color because that was annoying me, and I am that kind of person. I'm gonna rearrange how all these are hung up and organized, and then go through my maybe pile.